So let's talk about real-time scenario of bucket policy restriction to a particular IAM user. So that is Identity and Access Management user. So typically this is the AWS Management Console. Here I am opening AWS S3. So here you can see that list of buckets. I am opening the first bucket. And I clicked on permission button. Under permission, bucket policy is there. So this is the basically bucket policy. Okay. So now what I will do here, I will create one new user and give that restriction to put object in that bucket for that specific user. So let's go to the management console and create a IAM user. That is Identity and Access Management user. So go to the user section. As you can see here, the list of the user are which are already created. So now I am creating one more user. I am giving a name as sample test and checking the access type as the programmatical access and AWS Management Console access. So here you can set the password. For now I am giving password as Bhushan@26. So now next permission. So what this permission means? Permission means that what the user can access. So right now I am giving administrator access. So he has a full access which admin has. Now review page and create user. So now as you see here, the user is created successfully. You can download the credential or you can see the access and secret key here. Let's close this. If you type sample, as you can see here, sample test user is created. So now let's move to the bucket policy. Now I have to give restriction to that particular user. So we can generate the policy for giving restriction to the particular user. So open the bucket policy. You can select the bucket policy, select type of policy, you can select bucket policy. Here you can deny because we are denying the put object for the particular user. And here you can give specific principal. For example, my user is there. I can give here user ARN. And here, as I told you, I had to give restriction permission to that particular user for put object. So, selecting this put object, only one condition I selected. And ARN is nothing but for which bucket. So, as ARN of this bucket is this, which I get from bucket policy editor. I can give here and I can add statement. So now generate policy. This will generate my policy. So same I can, as I told you, we can add many statement. So I am adding the second statement. So this is the deny for sample user or put object action for this bucket. So now I can save this policy As you see here, the policy is saved right now. So let's open new tab. Click on the console. So as you see here, the username is sample test. So I'm giving here sample test, and the password which I had given, that is Bhushan@26. So this will open. You have to change the password. So right now I opened with sample test. So this is my sample test user which I have created. Now I can open that bucket where I had given the restriction permission for the user. So as you can see here, the list of bucket are there. Here I am selecting first bucket where I had given the permission for that user. You can see here. This is the deny clause, and this is the specific user. So I am giving the deny permission for the bucket to put object for the specific user. So this user cannot be able to put the object in this bucket. So let's try. So right now put is nothing but uploading the file. So I'm selecting some random file. Let's select the photo and do upload. So as you can see here, it is showing 100% failed. So this shows that as we have attached the administrator policy to the user, but it got failed. Why? The reason is bucket policy. We had given deny clause for the specific user for specific action put object. So this user which we have created, and we had given deny permission for action put object to this bucket. So this user cannot be able to put any of the object in this bucket 123-bucket-test. So this is the real-time example of bucket policy. Thank you.